31, 6.
Pulutan din yan. Pulutan yan, tabi natin na. Oo, pulutan yan. Isang nobele, tatawa ako.
Good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa road going up to kilometer 3 of Mount Tapulao. This is training climb 4 of the AMCI Basic Mountaineering Course 2023. So that means it's been, 18 years since I was last here in Tapulao. This was my TC1 when I was a trainee of AMCI. And now I'm back. Nasa kilometer 2 pa lang kami. And this road will last until kilometer 3. Wish us luck. So we've reached the end of the road and now starts this rocky trail, grabe. And it'll just get worse as we go further along the trail. Oh my god, giant shit. Yeah. So this is supposed to be the store at kilometer 5. Actually, kilometer 6 na siya. And look, sarado siya. So ito po yung tinatawag na tambayan ni Ate She. Ito po ang 7-Eleven dito sa Mount Tapulao. Pwedeng bumili ng soft drinks, ng sting, at syempre mag-refill ng tubig. Pwede rin magpaluto. Nandito kami ngayon nagpapahinga kasi meron pa kaming 12 kilometrong lalakarin dito sa Mount Tapulao.
Reached the peak only the first time.
What, the second time, what happened?
It was raining.
So
it was like way too cold for all.
So you just stayed at the campsite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yun. Stayed overnight on my first.
And then the second time, how old were you?
I think I was like 11 at most.
Okay.
And I climbed a few. More.
Okay, so you've been to a few na rin.
Yeah. Some I remember are like Pinatubo.
You went hiking there. That's easy.
Nag 4x4 kaya?
To some point, and then
Yeah, because you can't go all the way.
yeah.
Hey guys, kumusta? We are at kilometer 9
Hello.
and resting on these beautiful rocks.
It's not beautiful.
Hello there.
So I asked Aubrey kung ganito ba, if it'll get better as we go gain elevation. No, it just gets worse.
Asa?
Alan,
What?
give us a category.
Airline companies.
4 categories.
Airlines.
Uy, shit.
Ay. Ito, okay lang.
Mate?
Kaya nga, di ba? Akala ko pagkatumba ko yun na yun, dumulas pa ako pababa. Na-worried ako na dumire-diretso ako dun eh. Like this. So there are trade-offs, diba? Nice view, pero siguro we're dead. Sa wakas, tumigil na yung ulan. So, matiwasay na kami naglalakad dito. We are past kilometer 15 already, I think. And approaching the traditional campsite. And the trail here is really, really nice. We see pine trees all around us. But unfortunately, I fell and hurt myself. Pero kailangan magpatuloy kasi marami pang araw.
Andrew, yeah, can you get a picture of me? Your phone has a better camera.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. The tire is full of water.
Cause what else is going to go inside that?
Well, I thought it would leak outside.
Well, there's no hole underneath. So that's the reason why. Oh, look at that view.
Final destination, mate. Where's the entrance?
Very good. Just slide down. Perfect. Finally here at the AMCI campsite. Can't wait to take off my clothes and get into fresh, dry ones. Are you happy? Are you happy we're here?
Just glad we survived.
Yes, we're alive. Okay, nandito na kami ngayon sa AMCI campsite and papunta kami sa Dungawan. TL, what can we expect sa trail?
So, the trainees will be going through thick forest. Maraming mga nakaharang na baging halaman. Up and down, marami tayong dadaan ng
Uy, Bri.
And then, yung pupuntahan natin, para siyang viewpoint. Unang, ano siya, dungaw pa lang ng Mount Sawtooth.
So masisilip na natin yung Sawtooth.
Yes, hanggang doon lang tayo.
Yes. Trainees, excited naman kayo? Parang walang reaction. Oh my God, we are here. This is it. Mount Sawtooth, Dungawan. So from here we can see the ridge of Mount Sawtooth. That's our campsite. Wow, we can actually see our campsite from here. Grabe, inikot natin. Sa palagay mo, nasisi pa rin ako.
Oo nga no, dito ka.
Ay, grabe! Grabe, wala silang bilib sa akin.
Bilib na ako kay Almay.
Grabe. Congrats daw, sabi ni TL. Ang bilis niya daw.
1, 2. Kalimutan ko yung rad.
ATL, nasan tayo?
Durungawan, pagitan siya ng Sawtooth tsaka ng Tapulao.
Sino naghanap ng trail na to? May ano ba siya? May kabaliwang taglay.
Alam mo na yun, si Mark yun.
Actually, suggest pa nga namin doon dapat. Pwede ba? Campsite namin kasi mas maganda yung ilog doon.
Okay. Buti na lang.
Mga 30 minutes.
So we spent a few minutes here sa Dungawan. And now we are going back to our campsite, break camp, and then transfer to another campsite, and then do another summit assault. Grabe. Taas pa. Wow. And just like that, after less than 2 hours on the trail, we are back on the campsite. Gagawin namin break camp and then transfer to the Tapulao campsite around an hour and a half from here. Whew, what a workout! Pero sabi ni PJ, warm up pa lang. Woo! Wow! So nakabalik na kami galing AMCI Campsite at nandito na ulit kami sa kilometer 16. Ang campsite namin ay sa taas lang at ito rin yung daan papuntang summit na aakyatin namin mamayang alas 2. This is the campsite. Wow! So how much do you pay for rent in Tapulao?
For rent? 3,000.
3,000? Can you show us where you live? Okay, is this where the magic happens?
Yes.
No.
This is a 4-star hotel.
Beautiful.
Sweet.
And this is our kitchen. We have a really beautiful kitchen with an island counter.
Daisy, ano yan? Truck.
And now, Daisy is slicing our precious banana bread.
Guys, pila na 11 equal slices.
Hindi ko sure.
11 naman. O, panganay kami sila.
Hoy, ako panganay dito. Alright, my group is getting ready to do the Mount Tapulao Summit Assault. TL, what can we expect?
Mossy forest, single track. Kaya lang makapal yung fog. Hindi, pagdating nyo sa summit, hindi nyo makikita yung 360 degree view sana yun. Pero,
How many hours do you think makukuha ni Daisy yung...
less than 1 hour.
Wow, lang lakas ni Daisy.
Saka merong ano pala doon sa taas, dwarf bamboo forest.
So like pulag. Okay. Thank you, TL. Wow. We are inside the mossy forest of Mount Tapulao. Beautiful. It's my first time here.
My favorite.
Woo! Buwabawi lang to. Wow, finally I'm here at the summit of Mount Tapulao. 2037 lang to. Feels like 3,500. This is it. This is the highest point of Mount Tapulao. Can't believe it's only over 2,000 meters above sea level. Jog tayo. Pero ako run walk na ako eh. Run 1K, walk 1K, ganun ako. Andre, are these edible?
Buy Elden Ring after this.
Elden Ring is fun. I finished it na.
You're done with it? How is it?
Totoo ba?
It's like too big, including just.
Sige, mag-picture ako. Nag-FOMO na ako. Woo! Gabe, how's your soup?
Very good.
That's what you call a slurp.
How is it, Andros? Excellent.
Wrapping beans?
Noodles.
Noodles!
Noodles. Send nudes.
Very nice.
Noodles!
This is our campsite at night. What a beauty. Wow, what a beautiful day.
Gusto mo ba ng sunog, Alman?
Oh yeah, I love it. Kasi yung sunog na yun, sugar naman yan eh. So okay lang yun. At eto na, tapos na kami mag-breakfast dito sa Mount Tapulao. At nagsisimula na kami maglakad pabalik ng barangay. It's going to be 16 more kilometers of downhill, mostly slippery and rocky terrain. So, eto, wish us luck. Sana walang maaksidente, hindi tulad ng nangyari sa akin ng isang araw. At excited na rin kami na makababa, makakain na masarap, at makainom ng beer. Let's go!
Ang bago.
Especially it's so long, no?
It's so long, and then we're not going to have it not to be the same.
You just call your Tito Lance Gokong Way. I'm sure someone in your family knows him.
Like, are these catnip or no? This was a swamp, wasn't it?
Exactly.
As you can see, we are at kilometer 14.
Yeah.
Yes.
More exercise song ako.
Hello. It's not a photo, it's a video. Say something. No, say something like where are we and what did you do here?
We're at the water source. I'm on a spot to get water. Plans changed. So we just had lunch on our third day. This is supposed to be, say, like 5.5 kilometers from our start. So that leaves about 2 kilometers before the tricycles. So yeah, let's hope it doesn't rain as much as it did a few minutes ago.
How about the climb?
Best out of the 4. Most complete, easily, in terms of experience.
TL, how was the climb?
It was good, it was fun. I heard they find the climb enjoyable, and from our assessment, it was complete. We tested their endurance, perseverance, and their grip. So meron tayong TC4 kasi high altitude with a little bit of technical section. So I hope they become better after recovery.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, TL. Cheers.
Thank you.